Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can control concurrency in Go language by using WaitGroup. In the last video, we have seen when we run this program, then we performing it URL testing, that connection is established or not, connection is ready or not. And if I run this, so performing a task, and remember that if I decrease the time to 1 second and I run it, so it perform a half task and not able to perform the testing of all the URLs which I have given here. Why? Because in Go routines, if I'm using Go routines in Go language, we have to hold this Go routine that it should not close before closing these connections. So if I remove this here from here sleep method and I run it again, so it would not display any result. First of all, I have to remove this package also. I save it and I run again, and you see that it would not display any result because when this coroutine is start, then the main coroutine close. So we have to hold this coroutines to run these coroutines successfully. For that, for controlling the execution of these coroutines and to achieve the control on concurrency in Go language, we perform or we use a WaitGroup. So how we can use this, that we are going to learn. So here first of all I create WG and I say sync dot WaitGroup, save it. Then we try to import a package also, sync. Then this variable is used. Now we have to, so we can create a variable like this also, WG like this, save it. So we create this here, we have to use it. So here I am using this. So for executing this, here I use WG dot add and I pass here 1. This add is a function in which we pass the number of Go routine you want to execute. So here at a one time I want to execute this Go routine first time. So it's a stack type of notation, and then here in a coding I want to write a code that defer WG dot done like this. So we need to define this variable outside this so that we can access in this function also. Save this. So done. So it will execute at the last line after this. So first Go routine will execute and then it will give signal that complete, then again one more will execute, then complete, one more will execute, then complete, and after completion of all we will have here wait function. So we will use here wait. So this because of this function it will hold the main Go routine, this Go routine here, it will hold that first of all we have to complete this task, then it will close. So if my task is complete in 1 second, it will hold for 1 second. If my task complete in 2 seconds, then it will hold for 2 seconds. If my task will take 1 hour of time, then it will hold for 1 hour of time. That means we can control the concurrency of these Go routines with the help of WaitGroup. Remember that by this we are adding a number of Go routine you want to execute at a time, so we are executing a one at a time, so we put one and then we say done here. That means it will hold the screen one by one, 1 2 3 4 5 all will execute concurrently, and then we will have this result. So again I save it and I try to execute it in front of you, and you will see that the same task we are performing, but it's in more speed and more faster than other, and on accurate time also. It may take 1 minute of time, it may take 2 minutes of time, it may take 3 minutes of time, no problem at all, and it will manage all this concurrency automatically. Because of this wait group combination of three function wg add, done and wait, we can control the concurrencies in Go language. That's all in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.